Are you watching it?
I can't see her, Cody.
I can't do a somersault. My ankle.
Are you alright? You holding that camera and laughing reminds me of Jeff Dunham's daughter filling up her gas tank.
That one was so good.
Are you sweating from this?
You can't see it.
Okay.
Did you stop recording?
No.
I was doing something funny. I was going like this.
Oh my goodness.
I want to do some funny stuff, but I can't because my ankle hurts. Like.
Are you okay? She starts doing
Like
karate.
the start of a batch of cookies.
She's all out of breath.
It's hard work crawling.
Oh yeah.
I've been doing that since I was like 3.